In this video, we will discuss historicisms. Emerson once said, "There is properly no history, only biography." Probably he was referring to a relationship between history and literature. If we extend this, we can say that literature is history and history is literature. In order to understand fiction, will it not be necessary to consider its relationship to the historical narratives that frame it? Historicism means the study of history in conventional sense. It explains literary works in terms of the influences of history upon them. It advocates readings that place a text in its historical context. New Historicism argues that what we call history is not necessarily true, but that history is actually a narrative which will exclude some events and characters just as much as it will include others. New Historicism therefore finds out oppressed and marginalized voices and allows them to have their say in history. These oppressed and marginalized voices might be women or working class or ethnic minorities. So in this way, New Historicism is different from Historicism. Louis Montrose's famous definition of New Historicism is that it focuses upon both the historicity of the text and the textuality of history. Stephen Greenblatt is credited for this new approach, and in his 1980 book titled Renaissance Self-Fashioning from Moore to Shakespeare, Greenblatt reads both literary text and non-fiction text alongside each other. So here, history and literature complement each other. There is no context, no background, and no foreground. Fiction and non-fiction are interrogated alongside each other. Therefore, we can say that New Historicism is also a reading practice. Since New Historicism questions both fiction and non-fiction text, the new historicists do not see the existence of a stable set of past events which history records. Whatever is presented to us is represented or remade. So any text is a copy of a copy. First, through the ideology of a period in which it is written. Second, the practices of the period in which it is read. And third, through the deconstructive practices of the language itself. So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching.